Shit.
Put the lid back on like the other ones.
Work fast enough.
They're here.
You wouldn't let me get it lit.
Oh. I can't help my lighter work better.
I can't help with your lighter sucks.
Come here.
Got the torch.
Sit down.
That one ain't blowed up yet.
Sit down. Sit down. You know what? You're worse than a kid.
That's why I can't set it right there.
Scared the crap out of me. Wow, that's messed up.
Come here, Maggie. Up, up, up. Sit. Morning.
Nope. Oh.
Didn't do nothing.
Wow! Oh my god!
Bam!
Look at the seats!
That was a powerful one.
Oh my goodness.
Let me get this.
Come here, Mandy. Come on.
Got him that time.
Woo!
That hit me.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
You might have to go down there.
Get out of the way.
It just blew the top off.
The black one was the best.
Yep.
Look, got one more. And a motorcycle.
Ain't never gonna blow that up.
There's a hood. That hood's just gonna pop off.
That's the year I wanted to buy.
What is it?
It's an 81.
Oh, what did you buy?
I had a 79.
Good. Michael's not home. You call him down.
Michael Brown.
He's not home. Hmm?
He laughed.
There you go, Mark. Nice shot of your butt.
Oh, it went inside.
Oh, what did you do yesterday? Oh, I blew up toy cars. Pyro. Oh no, you're gonna blow up the motorcycle.
need two.
I was gonna need 3.
Right in there. You don't have to blow it up, fall apart by itself. It's dead.
Yeah.
Where'd the piece go?
Everywhere.
There's one, there's one.
There's the handles. Done?
No, we got one more.
Oh, that
Yeah. That red one just snapped unsnapped and didn't blow up.
Probably because it was in the grass. There's some pieces down here.
There's some down there too.
Seat, hood. Easy.
Oh. That was good. We all done.
All done.
We'll try these little matchbox cars.
Try to do it with a matchbox car. I don't even see it.
It's right there.
Oh, this one.
It's metal. No, not that one.
I'll never blow. That's a Hot Wheels car.
That's a nice car.
What about the other one?
Yeah, that's a nice one too.
Those are Hot Wheels cars too. Those are probably the best ones in the box. The wheels are straight even.